I'll be doing some crappie fishing. It's a cloudy, late rainy day, so I'm kind of love these days to fish. I'm gonna be fishing at probably two spot here for sure. I know that fish are biting here, and then I'm gonna be moving to my right, which is over here. There's another spot that the fish are biting as well too. Fish are not done with spawning yet, so it's late May. They should be done anytime now. Here, in up north in Minnesota, so you could still, it's like a hit and miss. You could still, if you know where the fishes are, you just can be able to, catch some kind of near the shore or docks. And this is kind of what my videos are for, it's for dock fishing, pier fishing and shore fishing for that. Just to encourage, a lot of the younger folks to get into the hobby and show them what fishing is all about. It's fishing for fun for that. So my layout is gonna be, a bobber on an ultralight pole, and I'm gonna be using a 1.5 minnow, plastic minnow for that. Okay, so my bobber is way over here. I don't know if you guys can see it though, but just want to show you guys. Oh, you guys can see that my bobber is moving. Okay, well, you guys can see I caught myself a little crappie. So yes, there are fish in this lake. Okay, there are fish in this lake. This is like a small crappie, so I'm gonna let it go. They're kind of like a couple feet away from the shore. A couple feet away from the shore. So we're gonna biting the white jig. Let's see. Okay, crappie. Let it go. All right, just cut another one. This one's a little bit bigger than the one that I just caught. Again, it's in past this little tree over here, where you see like the little white reflection over here. Let's see. Usually when you caught one, there's like a school of fish around the same place. Again, not really big, so I'm gonna let it go. Let's see. Just showing you guys that, hey, if you move around the lake, you just gotta find the right spot that the fish are biting. You gotta know, and you gotta use the right lures to. There. Let's see. Okay. And then the fish go. There you go. A third crappie. This is a little bit bigger than the a little bigger, but I'm not gonna keep any of these because they're under 10 inches. They're not even 8 or 9, I think. Yeah, caught it in this little area over here by the benches over here, but yeah, let it go. Oh, I guess it didn't go where I wanted it to, but that's okay. Yeah, there's fishes in the lake. You just gotta know where to catch them. You just have to know where to go. Yeah. Mà trên này có nữa, cái người ta cái cho một cái pôn đài, xa xỉ nữa, xa xỉ pôn đài nó đã có đây 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 tao nó, chứ là cái này tao nó, tao coi gì trên cái tao nó, thôi gì tao nó đi, giờ cái tao nó này, giờ tỏ cái gì đấy, như bảo lúc bảoแบบý chúa rồi chỉ cho lon á rồi tỏ đây okay. tỏ cố chú này tỏ gì chú kia là tỏ chân chơi khắp cái này tỏ thì tất cả nó không có mà cái này sẵn mình đấy cho nên cái này là khả năng mà mua số mà trong đời sắp cái này. Here's we see it, but caught my 4 crappie. This one is a smaller one. Caught it like straight up ahead, like here instead of like to the right. Okay, tụi nó từng trực tiếp câu này. Crappie fishing mê để bắt cho phải này. Tỏ tụi cá ở đây nó nè, tụi cá ở đây. Tụi cá ở đây nó nè. Tụi nó trên này. Mẹ sử dụng cái gì tạo tất cả đây nè, chọn cái này tụi nó chuẩn bị there you go. Alright, let's cover some another one. Yes. Can I bear with me? Yep. One hand doing it, one hand fishing it. Okay. This is good. It's another crappie. But it's not that big. Okay, it's not that big. It's bigger than the one before though. Okay. It's bigger than the one before. Okay. Oh no. That's okay. Yeah, this swallowed really deep. Good fish. Yeah, under 10 inches, probably. I would say maybe 6 inch. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, probably 6 inch, but not gonna. Yeah, probably about 6 inches or so. But again, I'm gonna let it go. Some male fish, I think. It's a little pretty deep, so I'm gonna put the phone aside. I'm gonna unhook the fish and let it go. Good crappie. Then again, straight up ahead, this is my 5th fish. Okay, my 5th fish. About, I would say probably about 5 to 6 inch. Let it go. Give them a chance to be bigger. There we go. Okay, just caught myself another fish. Another crappie. Okay. Pull this in. Okay, this is my 6th fish. I had to use it different. This is cut the size. Smaller fish. I'm gonna let it go. Try to do this with one hand. There you go. Okay. Release the fish back in the water. So give them a chance to go bigger. Okay, smallest one. Oh, 4, 5, about 4 Maybe 4 or 5 inch. There we go. Okay, just get that other one here. Another crappie. That's maybe a smaller fish. Nope. It's not a crappie, but it's a sunny. No, it's a bluegill. It's a bluegill. A big bluegill. Okay, it's a big bluegill. So, beautiful bluegill. Beautiful bluegill. So we're gonna let it go. Okay. Back to the water. Bluegill. Got one. Crappie here. It's not big, but this is my 7th fish. Probably about 3 to 4 inches. Probably around that. So I'm gonna release it, let it go. Let's see. Yeah, they're crappie. Yeah, fishing for fun, enjoying the hobby, okay? So it's gonna, I'll hook it, let it go.